Nate, do you know why we use the Haggadah? So we can all say the right words. Say one. Take me out to the Seder, take me out to the crowd, feed me on matzah and chicken legs. I don't care for the hard-boiled eggs, and it's root for Elijah, that he will soon reappear. And let's hope that we meet once again next year. Take me out to the Seder, take me out with the crowd. Read the Haggadah and don't skip a word. Please hold your talking, we want to be heard. And let's root for the leader, that he will finish his spiel. So we can nosh, and by gosh, let's eat the meal.
Very good.
We've been practicing this many times.
That's